How to train a Doberman Pinscher to walk on a leash. Doberman Pinschers are known for their strength, intelligence, and loyalty. However, without proper training, they can also be headstrong and difficult to handle, especially when it comes to walking on a leash. Walking your Doberman on a leash is important for both their safety and the safety of others. Here are some tips on how to train your Doberman Pinscher to walk on a leash. First and foremost, it is essential to start training your Doberman Pinscher at a young age. Puppies are more adaptable and eager to learn, making it easier to instill good leash walking habits. If you have an older Doberman who hasn't been leash trained, don't worry, it's never too late to start. However, keep in mind that it may require more patience and persistence. Begin the training process by introducing your Doberman to the leash and collar. Allow them to sniff and investigate these new objects, making it a positive and enjoyable experience. Once they are comfortable, gently attach the leash to their collar and allow them to drag it around the house or in a familiar, secure environment. This will help them get used to the sensation of the leash without feeling restricted. Next, it's time to start walking with the leash. Choose a quiet and familiar location for your training sessions, ideally without distractions that may divert your Doberman's attention. Hold the leash loosely and encourage your Doberman to walk beside you with treats or encouragement. If they pull or try to go in a different direction, stop walking and wait for them to calm down. As soon as they do, resume walking. Repeat this process until they understand that pulling or lunging is not acceptable behavior. Consistency is key when training your Doberman to walk on a leash. Establish a routine and stick to it. Regular, short training sessions are more effective than sporadic longer ones. By training your Doberman daily, you reinforce the desired behavior and help them develop a consistent walking style. During the training process, it's important to remain calm and patient. Never punish or resort to physical force if your Doberman misbehaves. Instead, use positive reinforcement techniques. Praise and reward your Doberman with treats, verbal affirmations, and petting when they walk calmly beside you. This will motivate them to repeat the desired behavior. Another helpful tip is to use a no-pull harness or a head halter during training. These tools can provide better control and prevent your Doberman from pulling excessively. However, it's crucial to remember that they are aids, not substitutes for training. The goal is to train your Doberman to walk politely on a leash without relying solely on these tools. Remember to stay consistent with your commands and cues. Use a clear and distinctive signal when you want your Doberman to stop, sit, or change direction. This will help them understand your expectations and respond accordingly. Be patient, as it may take some time for your Doberman to fully grasp the commands. As your Doberman becomes more comfortable and responsive to walking on a leash, gradually increase the level of difficulty. Introduce new environments with distractions, such as parks or busy streets, to test their obedience skills. Take it one step at a time and reward their progress. In conclusion, training a Doberman Pinscher to walk on a leash requires consistency, patience, and positive reinforcement. Start the training process at a young age, introduce the leash gradually, and use treats and praises to motivate your Doberman. Remember to remain calm and avoid punishment. With time and practice, your Doberman will become a well-behaved and enjoyable walking companion.